Good day, everyone. I'm Carlian Viasanta Punjalan from BTLE3B. I'm going to explain to you how refrigeration cycle works, but let's try to do it in a story way so it's easier to imagine. Refrigeration cycle is like an adventure where refrigerant goes on a journey changing form and passing through different guardians that guide and protect it. The chip that begins at the compressor, the heart of the system, which pumps the refrigerant and makes it strong by turning it into a high pressure, high temperature vapor. Right after that, the refrigerant meets the oil separator, which acts like a helper, making sure the oil goes back to the compressor so it stays healthy and strong. Next stop at the condenser, where the refrigerant cools down by giving away its heat to the air or water outside. Here, it transforms from a hot vapor into a high pressure liquid. After cooling down, it rests inside the receiver, which stores a, it until it's ready to continue the trip. On the way, the refrigerant meets the liquid line solenoid valve, a gatekeeper that only opens when cooling is needed. Then it passes through the filter or dryer, which acts like a cleaner, removing dirt and moisture. The moisture indicator checks on it like a strict inspector, showing if the refrigerant is pure of it or if something's wrong. Now comes the big moment, the expansion valve. This part suddenly drops the refrigerant's pressure, making it super cold. The filler bulb, like a smart coach, helps the valve know how much refrigerant should enter. With its new icy powers, the refrigerant enters the evaporator where it absorbs heat and turns into vapor, cooling the air or products around it. Supporting guards like the evaporator pressure regulator make sure the pressure is just right, while the hot gas bypass valves helps during low load so the system won't freeze up. Before heading back to the compressor, the refrigerant through the suction accumulator, which protects the compressor from liquid, and the suction filter or dryer, which removes any dirt or acid left behind. Meanwhile, the oil level gauge glass helps technicians see if the compressor has enough oil to keep working. Finally, the refrigerant returns to the compressor, ready to start its adventure all over again. In the end, the refrigeration cycle is not just about the machines, it's a non-stop story of transformation, teamwork, and protection. Every component has a role to play in keeping things cool, safe, and efficient.